Hey, welcome to Terminology Tuesday. This week we're talking about functional assessment procedures, specifically ABC data collection. Did you ever think to yourself, hey, what's all this ABC data for? Is there any sort of quantitative way that I can analyze this information? There is. So that's what conditional probabilities are. Think of it like statistics, right? So you take your ABC data, which gives you all the possible antecedents, all the possible consequences for the particular target behavior of interest. And with that information, what you can generate is a conditional probability, which is a mathematical probability that given those antecedents and consequences, that behavior is going to happen. Now, something interesting about conditional probabilities, don't ask me why, they don't want them reported in percentages. So I guess that's just science being all serious and science-y, but it basically has to be reported in decimals, which is different than percentage of opportunity data. It's also different from IOA data, which throws a lot of people off because you think probabilities, you think possibilities, percentage of opportunities. Why isn't that this? It's not. It's in decimals. So that makes us have to think about one other thing, which is that any decimal that goes above 1.0 essentially means over 100%. So conditional probabilities cannot go above 1.0. And the closer to 1.0, the more probable that behavior is when those particular conditions arise. So think of 0.8 as 80%, but don't report it as such. And think 0.8 closer to 1.0. So a much higher probability than say 0.5, which is like 50%, but don't report it in percentages, decimals for conditional probabilities. So key things, ABC data gives us conditional probabilities. Conditional probabilities give us the possibility that given specific circumstances, a target behavior will occur. I hope that helps, guys, and I'll see y'all next time.